Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can basically set up the latest image playground for your iOS. Okay, so there are like few things that you need to keep in mind. That first, make sure that you have the latest version of iOS. So you can just go into the general and then go to the software update here, and then it will basically show you the version. So this is currently iOS 18.2. You need to basically update your iOS to 18.2 in order to get the image playground. And the minimum device that you should have is iPhone 15 Pro. If you have iPhone 15, this will not work. Or if you have like iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro Max, so the minimum device you should have is the iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, and the next thing that you wanna do is just go into the settings after you have updated your iPhone to iOS 18.2. Then you will basically go into the settings, and here you will see this setting where it says Apple Intelligence and Siri. Just open it up, and then what you're gonna need to do, you just need to turn on the Apple Intelligence. Okay, make sure that your Apple Intelligence is turned on, and once this is turned on, you can just go into the menu, and now you will see this option here where it says playground. So you just need to tap on it, and here it says that setup. So express yourself visually in unique ways across apps, connect iPhone to Wi-Fi, and power to prepare for setup. So there are the functions that it can do automatically. So I will just tap on not now, and now here you can basically describe it like which type of image you want. So I will just uh, write something here. So describe an image or add a suggestion from the list. So basically that's how you can turn on the image playground on the latest iOS 18. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.